Welcome to another video on my walking robot Mirft2, which is based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux, programmed via online mode in Python, equipped with 6 legs, 3 and another 3, basically walking backwards to get forward. That's because of the mechanisms. Battery pack is not connected, but it's adding some weight. It should be connected once it actually runs nicely. Last time I found that it actually does run nicely, can run nicely, so this time I'm going to test shortly if it still runs nicely without intervention from me. Last time I managed to get it running, but with intervention or after. And this wire should be a little bit different, otherwise it interferes with the gears and that's not good. Alright, then I check once again the camera for the objects, selecting the red color, using UV saturation and value filter with OpenCV, and of course modeling using Blender. So let's see if things work out using RobotPro testing and Python. So let's go to the software. Alright, so first thing to do is with RobotPro. It already has the correct IP address. I cannot connect. Then I wonder why that is. I'm going to from the community interface. Hopefully now to the default interface. Does that work? That does work. Very good. So then this one works and this one works nicely. Then motors 1 and 4, they work very well. Then motors 2 and 3 working very well as well. Testing is now done, completely done. Very good. So here I have all software, here I run it, and let's do it and see for some pictures. So does this run as well? Yes, very good. Desired speed 500. And that is actually exactly what I wanted to see. So distances are not quite correct. Distance covered here is 350, this is 351. Right. Let's display the image. That one. Now the result. Which is actually quite nice, although I do miss now here this red. And last time I did have all red. So in quality, as far as that is concerned, and I'm talking about this, that is unfortunately less. But let's run again, see whatever happens. Yeah, 500 again. It doesn't do a thing. It goes into error. That is just too bad. Okay, exit. I do want, let's say 40 and 50. No, it's 40, 52. What's wrong? 11, 40, 52. Something is not quite right. The previous one, 48. That is working better, but still the same kind of image. So it's not quite alright. And it didn't run. So last time, for now at least, no, not alright. Alright, I'm continuing. Yes, 500. And this one is having some problems. Yeah, 350 against 392. Okay, that is too bad. Then again, let's test the image. I don't think it will be different. No, it is not different. Alright, so be it. But the start is there. It runs nicely, so maybe probably next time I will run it just on battery and not on the scaffold. See if it actually does run. The problem is now that I have a charged battery. Although I can do something different. I can take it off the scaffold anyway and see whatever it does. Very interesting thing. So are 4 motors, 2 per side, strong enough to let it walk. Move? Yes, it does move, but it seems to be still too heavy. And that is disappointing. That is very disappointing. it does rattle a lot. Okay, that is too bad. But okay, let's take this one. Yeah, alright. Everything black except this one. So it takes even more than this, and probably way too heavy to even carry this, even with 4 motors. Makes me that makes me think, what did I do wrong this time? Anyway, time for modeling with Blender, I think. And with Blender, with the model right here, I find here another problem, which is obviously that gear 9, gear 8, and here gear 7, and here we have gear 7 and gear 2. It's gear, oh, including animation, that is that one, and gear 4 matches. Gear 5 is on the other side. You can see it here. 6 is alright. That is this one. Gear 7, which is gear 2. Not quite sure what I'm supposed to think about this. So I am going to create another gear. Which one is this? That is that one. So if I go here to mesh mechanical gears, gear, I am entering gear 10. It's brand new, linked to 9 apparently. It says toggle edit mode. Let me do that. But it doesn't do a thing. Right, away it goes. I have to be able to edit it. Mechanical gear, gear. Now I can do things. Great, number of T's, make it 24. Radius, that is 2,4 centimeters, and that was indeed one of the problems here. Not 2 meters, more like 2 centimeter 4. Width, not 20 centimeters, 0 centimeter 2. should be, by the way, somewhere there, and more like here. And I have lost my editing. I completely lost editing. So toggle edit mode. Sure. Not animation. This is a different, very different edit mode because I need the gear edits. So either the add-on is rather bad because this is unusable. Rotation. That's one thing. That's the other. Should be here somewhere. But then again, if you look at it, it's unusable. Okay. And yeah, it is really unusable. It's nowhere near the gears that I've made here and that are more or less correct. So how am I going to get this? Not quite sure. I have to study the plugin because this says more, and this is wrong editing. What did I do now? Okay. Anyway, it's not good. I have to look further. And with this view of the robot off the scaffold, with a failed attempt to walk because of grinding gears, etc. I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell if you want to be notified. And well, you can of course leave a comment, very much appreciated. Please, if you like it, make a donation please via either PayPal or Wise. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, you can have your name as a supporter I've mentioned on my website and or with my videos. For more information, please see under this video. This is going to be continued, obviously. For now, have a nice day and bye bye.